This is the biggest tree I've seen come down. This thing's huge. And now hopefully the red belly will come and get his food. Ooh. A lot of damage.